Changing your payout method on Twitch is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings in a way that suits you best. Follow these steps to update your payout information. Step 1. Log into your Twitch account. Visit the Twitch website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing the account for which you want to change the payout method. Step 2. Go to your creator dashboard. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Creator Dashboard to access your account settings and tools. Step 3. Navigate to Payout Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. In the Payouts section, you will see your current payout method listed. Click on the Edit button next to it. Follow the prompts to enter your new payout information, such as bank account details or PayPal information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your new payout method is updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Twitch. Make sure to double check your new information for accuracy to avoid any issues with future payments.